Good morning, students. Today's our topic is public relations. So, what is public relation? Public relation is the practice of managing the flow of information between an individual or an organization and the public. Means public relation, it is the one type of relationship in between the managing the flow of information between an individual. Means say it is a relationship between an individual or an organization and the public. Means for example, any organization, any person who will be dealing the public relations officer post. So in that time, any other person which will be come from any media or any other area or any other institute. So in that time, that person only which will be responsible for maintaining this public relation. That is called public relation. Then the aim of public relations by company often is persuade the public. So, what is the aim of this public relation? So, the aim of this public relation is by company often is to persuade the public. Persuade means to do something through reasoning or any argument. Means that company which will be doing something with the public with any reasoning or any argument, then investors, partners, employee and other stakeholders to maintain a certain point of view about it, its leadership, product or of political decisions. So the aim of this public relation is by any company which will be do something through reasoning. Means with the reasoning or with any this argument, it will be developing or it will be doing the or maintaining the certain point of view about it and its leadership or product or of political decision. So it's comes under the public relations. Then what is the definition of this public relation? That is, public relations is a planned process to influence public opinion. So it is a planned process. So why means how it is a planned process? It means why it is a planned process. This planned process to influence public opinion. Means this, in this planned process, we have to influence the public opinion through sound character. Means with the help of sound character or proper performances, which will be based on mutually satisfactory two-way communication. Means the two individual which will be having communication in between us, in between that two person, and they will be doing or they will be maintaining this public relation, and with the help of this public relation, the public which will be influenced by their opinion. So that is called as definition of public relation. Then, according to Marston's four-step race model, describe the PR process. So, in this race, the first one is the research. So, in public relation, first we have to do the research. Means in any subject or any thing, first the public relation officer or that particular individual, they have to do the research on that particular topic. Then after researching, whole researching, then they have to do the action. Then after their action, means they have to do the thing which will be comes under that particular um, topic. Then after that, they have to maintain the communicate with the public. Then means that public relation officer, they have to maintaining the communication with the other person or with the public. For example, if any organization or any institute, we have to give any positive attitude or any positive things or anything about that institute or any organization or any business. So in that time, first the public relation officer, they have to do the research. Then after that, they have to work in that. Then after that, um, he or she have to do maintaining the communication in between the public Then after that they have to do the evaluation. So in this model or in this process, we have to maintaining the proper public relation process. Then what are the functions of public relations? So promoting goodwill, we with the help of this public relation we will promoting goodwill. Then promoting product, service, corporate image. Then after that we have to promoting the product, means in any company, means in any company, in advertising companies, we in advertisement we will see that they but in that particular advertise they will promoting their products. And promoting the services, means any organization or any institution, what services they will providing, and the public relation that will be promoting the services. Then corporate images, then they have to maintaining the corporate images, means any um, company or any other areas, corporate areas, they will maintaining the images or they will promote the image. Then corporate communication, the function of the public relation, they will also they will be also corporate or maintaining the communication in between the other areas. Then next one is the lobbying. Lobbying means it is the act of trying to persuade government to make decision or support something. Means with the help of public relation, the lobbying can be done by many sorts of people. Means this lobbying, it can be done by many sorts of people, alone, or sometimes it will be alone or it will be in a group. And it is done by big companies. So this lobbying which will be done by big companies or big business. So sometimes people are give jobs to lobby for big businesses. So with the help of this public relation, so we have to also maintaining the lobbying. Then contracting, contracting negative publicity. Negative publicity means contracting means it is an act in order to reduce its force. It means it will be reducing the force of negative publicity. Means in any organization or any other companies or any hospital, they will not, or they will reduce the negative publicity of that particular organization or any hospital or any other area. So the function of this PR, it will be reduce the negative publicity. Then advantages of publicity. So in advantages of publicity, first one is the credibility. So in this credibility, in this public relation, it is the means in public relation we have to maintain the quality of being trusted. Means any organization or any institute or hospital, they have to maintain, or they have to showing the quality, so that the another person which will be being trusted or believe that organization or hospital. Then cost. So in this we have to manage the cost of that particular area or any business or any other areas. So then next one is the avoidance of clutter. Avoidance of clutter means it will be cover or some feel something with an untidy collection of things. Means we have to avoidance the untidy things of this PR. So in public relation we will be avoidance of untidy things, or we will not give any negative effect to the other person or other public or any individual which will be come to the institute or any organization or any office. So in that time the PR, the person who are maintaining the PR, that will be responsible for avoidance of clutter. And then lead generation, this which will be responsible for, or this is the advantage that will be lead the generation. Then ability to reach specific groups. So it is in this PR, the sorry, it is the ability to reach the specific group. So in this PR they have the quality to reach in the specific groups, because of their quality and because of their characteristics, they will be able to reach in a specific group, and they will build up their relationship in between that particular group. Then image building, then they will image the building, they have that quality so that they will be able to build the image. Then what are the disadvantages of PR? So first is difficult to quantifying PR benefits. So in this there will be some disadvantages that will be difficult to quantify, means in this we will not able to quantifying the PR benefits. Then lack of control, in this the control which will be lacking, lack of control. And in this there will be deft management required. So deft means needfully or quick in one's movement, means if any other person which will be came to any organization or any institute, and they were telling about their institute any negative aspect or any negative things, so in that time the PR which will be having the ability, or they have to manage neatly, skillful or quick one's moment. So in this these disadvantages which will be also occur. Then role of public relations in an organization. So in an organization, to build up a positive image, so with the help of public relation we will be able to maintain a positive image, means it is the responsibility of the public relation officer, they have to maintain a positive image, they have to build up a positive image. It also help in developing trust and cooperation. So this public relation, it will be also helps in developing, so it will be developed a trust and cooperation in between the other person of that institute or any organization. Then public relation can make or mark the impression of a visitor or general public. So for example, with the help of this public relation, if anyone which will be comes to that particular organization, so it is the responsibility of that public relation people, they have to make or mark the impression, means whatever means the persons who will be came to that organization, in that time they have to, or the visitors or the general public which will be came into that organization, in that time they have to make or mark the impressive uh, of visitors. Then public relations practices also help to provide information about the organization. So it this public relation which will be practices also, it will be also help to provide the information about any organization. So these public relation officers or the persons which will be responsible for providing the information about that particular organization. So if any individual which will be comes from outside, and they will ask about that organization, so who will be responsible for giving the answer? That is public relation officer. It services facilities to visitors and the community, and they will be also explain about what all services which will be providing, what all services what all facilities which will be providing to the visitors and the community members. Then it also help to communicate a message that coincidence with organizational goals and seeks to benefit mutual interest whenever possible. So it will be also helps to communicate, means this public relation, it will be also means with the help of newspaper, with the help of any television, this public relation officer which will be responsible for giving or communicate a message that coincidence with organizational goals, means it will be affecting any organizational goal or any coincidence which will be occur in the organization and seeks to benefit mutual interest whenever possible. So this public relation which will be communicate to message to the other person. Then what is public relation specialist or officer? Who is a public relation specialist? So he is an authorized, adequately trained person who deals with the external agencies, delegating certain functions to others at appropriate level, and work as communication media specialist. So this public relation specialist, which will be as a authorized person and adequately trained person. So in this PRS, which will be given to they have a trained person who deals with external, which will be able to deal with the external agencies, and he will be responsible for delegating certain functions to others at appropriate level. So uh, he only responsible for maintaining the function of work in any organization, and work as an communication. So how we have to communicate with other areas like TV, media, or any specialist area. So that person only responsible. For example, in any institute or any college, like in nursing college, any workshop which will be developed, or if the students um, which will be having a good results, so in that time the public relation officer or the specialist which will be responsible for giving or providing the communication or giving the information about these all things through the media. So these PRS which will be responsible for these things. Then public relation in hospitals. So public relation, it is the function of communicating effectively with key hospital district audience. Means the public relation officer or the public relation in hospital, it is a function of, means in this they have to communicate effectively with the key hospital district audiences. Means in district audiences including media, local residents, employee, physicians, board members, community leaders, government officials, and other interested in the hospital. So the in public relation, it is the main function to communicate effectively with these all areas. Then role and importance of public relation in hospitals. So first is the, it helps to build up a positive image. Um, any person which will be comes from outside or any other areas or any other department or any other organization, so the public, with the help of this public relation, it helps to build up a positive image of that particular hospital, to give information about the hospital, its service. Means what are the benefits which will be given by that particular hospital, what facilities which will be providing to the visitors, and what about community schools, what facilities which will be given to the community schools, nursing colleges, or MBBS colleges or institutes or press and special group. So these all things which will be with the help of this public relation only. Then to educate and counsel the visitors and special groups about information. Means if the any unknown person which will be comes to the hospital, and if they not knowing about that particular hospital, in that time the PR which will be responsible for educate or counsel the visitors and special group about information where there is confusion. Means if they are having any confusion, means in this particular hospital the uh, doctors which will be good or not, or the facilities which will be provided by the hospital, that will be also effective or not, or any conflicts which will be created in the visitors, or any misunderstanding or misperception. So it will be counseled by the PR members. Then next is the skill and competencies for effective public relationship. So what all is skill or competencies which will be responsible for showing the effective public relation. So that is personal nature. So the nature of the public relation officer, that will be very good. So in that aspect only, he or she will be maintain a proper communication with other person. Then communication skill, it will be also good, and they have to maintain appropriate communication skill with the visitors. Then should have good knowledge about the hospital facilities. Means if he or she should not have the proper knowledge about the hospital facilities, activities, programs, offices and related information, in that time they will be, or he or she will be not able to give the proper information to another person or any visitor or any government officers which will be came to the hospital. In that time the PR which will be not able to explain anything, then should be able to explain to the visitors about the institution. So they have proper knowledge, so that it will be able to explain to the visitors about the institution. Means what are the means in any institution how many students which will be there, then what facilities which will be given to the students, and what all things we have to given to the patient. Then what about the structure of the this fees structure. So all information they have to explain to visitors or any other person. Then should possess good health to walk around the institute and the field. Means they have to also possess good health to walk around the institute and the field areas. Then should have the positive attitude. They have always positive attitude about the institute. Means never say the negative attitude or negative word to any other person which will be comes from outside. So this is the attitude. Means they have the positive attitude about the institution or hospital. So in that way they have to never say any negative word about their institution or about their companies or about their hospital. Then be honest and sincere in communication. They have to maintain a proper communication, and they have to honest and sincere. Then role of nurse in maintaining public relation. So provide greater service to the patient and community in total health care. So what are the role of nurse in maintaining the public relations? So the basic role which will be present in maintaining public relation, that is provide greater service to the patient. We have to provide a greater service as a nurse. We have to provide a greater service to the patient and community in total health care. Then giving information about the hospital. The nurses which will be only responsible for giving the proper information about the hospital, what all services which will be provided, what all facilities which will be provided to visitors and community. Because the nurses is more time which will be present in the hospital. Then helps the patient and visitor to clarify their confusion. Means, this is the responsibility of a nurse. If the patient is having any confusion regarding any disease or regarding any treatment regimen or any facilities, so in that time the nurse only um, responsible or help to clarify their confusion, their conflicts, if any conflict which will be present in the ward in that time. Then any misunderstanding, misperception which will be comes in between the visitors or the patients. So in that time the nurse only responsible for maintaining this public relation. Then help in building a positive image in the community by their skill. Means by their skill, by their communication, by their IPR, they have to build up a positive image in their community, their competencies, their communication and their behavior. They have to maintain or build up a positive image. Then establish a good interdepartmental relationship. A nurse, she have to maintain always a good interpersonal relationship in between a interdepartmental relation. So they have to establish a good interdepartmental relationship. Then collaboration with the other departments, agencies and organization. They have to collaborate with the other department. Means if a nurse which will be work in ward, so they have to collaborate with labs or operation theater or any agencies or any organization. They have to collaborate with other departments. Then nurses should assume a leadership role in management. So nurse which will be also responsible for as a leadership role in management and also in professional growth. So these all comes under a role of nurse in maintaining public relations. So these all are about the topic of public relations. So thank you.